Here we have the integral of 1 dividing by the square root of b to the 2x minus 16. And so for this particular example, what we can do is let u be the square root right here. And which, if we write this using rational exponent, then the exponent will be 1/2. And then the derivative of u with respect to x, so the derivative here will be 1/2. And then times the base. And then subtract 1 from the exponent. So 1/2 minus 1 is negative 1/2. And then the chain rule says we have to multiply this by the derivative of the base. The derivative of e to the 2x would be e to the 2x, and then we have to multiply by the derivative 2x, which is 2. So the derivative e to the 2x is e to the 2x, and then the chain rule says we have to multiply by the derivative of the 2x, which is 2. And then the derivative 16, which is 0. And here we have a half times 2, which is 1, 1/2 times 2, which is 1. So we end up with e to the 2x. And this is e to the 2x minus 16 to the negative 1/2. And so we move it to the bottom, then it becomes positive 1/2. So here's e to the 2x, and then this is e to the 2x minus 16 to the negative 1/2. And then move it to the bottom, it becomes positive 1/2. So this is e to the 2x, but e to the 2x minus 16 to the 1/2 is u. So now we have du is equal to this, and then times dx. But we don't have the e to the 2x over u in here, in the integral here. So what we can do is go ahead and multiply both sides by the reciprocal. And then e to the 2x du equal and this becomes dx. And then also from here, if we square both sides, we get u squared is equal to this square, which is just e to the 2x minus 16. So now this integral becomes 1 over u, since we call u the square root of e to the 2x minus 16, and then dx is e is u over e to the 2x times du. U divided by u is just 1, so we get 1. And then e to the 2x. And then from here, we get that we add 16 to both sides, we get u squared, plus 16 is equal to e to the 2x. So e to the 2x is u squared over 16. Then du. So now the integral has the form of 1 divided by u squared plus h squared. Recall that the derivative of tangent inverse of x is 1 over 1 plus x squared. And if we replace the x with x over a, then we get a. The derivative will be a over a squared plus x squared. And this is the same as this. And then from here, we would get the formula integral of 1 over a squared plus x squared is 1 over a times tangent inverse of a. And so now we need this integral right here. And so what we can do is let a squared be 16. Which means 8 is equal to 4. And so this becomes, instead of x, this would be u. And then 8 is 4. And then originally, u was u was the square root. U is this right here. The square root of e to the 2x minus 16. And then plus c. And this is the answer.